everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your iPhone. If you want to hide certain apps on your iPhone from others who might snoop, or from yourself if you're addicted to a particular game or a social networking site, you'll be able to hide it from the home screen of your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. There are several ways you can hide your apps on your iPhone. The easiest way is to hide the apps using the app library. Right in your home screen, you'll be able to see all of the applications that you've installed. In order to hide a particular app from appearing on the home screen, simply go and find the app that you'd like to hide. Once you spot the app, hold the app for a while and a menu will pop up. Tap on Remove App, and in the pop-up where it asks you to remove the application, tap on Remove from Home Screen. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to remove an application from your home screen. But do not worry at all. The application will be hidden in the app library section. That is how you can easily hide your application from your iPhone homepage. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.